if you don't have the right tool for the job, you're not going to be able to fix it appropriately. So now, okay, well, now what type of pipe is this? Now I got to research it. Okay, now I got to go find the parts. Now I got to make sure that I have the tools necessary to make the repair. So, I mean, there are some things that for us as licensed plumbers, we take for granted every day because we have the things on the truck all the time. To where, you know, if you're a DIYer, kind of like the car thing, you know, I had to replace oil pressure sensor. Well, I had to get a socket, so I couldn't do it that day. So it's just a time management thing. We're kind of set up to make sure that we get it taken care of from the day one.